Welcome to this instruction video about the file editors included in FolderViewer. Select File Editors from the menu, click on New to open a new file editor, and select Open, for instance, to open a file into the editor. Immediately from the extension, the syntax is set to, in this case, Pascal, automatically set from the menu. You can print it, have a print preview before you print it. You can set up your printers and you can print the file, of course. You can, of course, when you select some text, indent them by using the Ctrl-Shift-I key or the Shift-Ctrl-U key to unindent. Like this, you can indent a whole block of line and unindent it. You can go to a certain line number and you can find certain texts using these options like case insensitive, whole words only, regular expressions. You can set the direction forward and backward and from the cursor or from the text start. Once you've done that, you can do the next search of the next find with just pressing this menu button. You can replace text using the same options. You can set a global or a selection to select only in a selected text the new phrase. So it's quite a advanced editor. You can set the language, you can set the font, you can set wrap lines or don't wrap lines. Well, each editor can also be used directly from the Explorer. For instance, if you go to this file, press F4 and immediately the editor is opened. It's the same editor, but you can do this by clicking F4 or click on the Open Current File. You can use it, of course, with this one. Click on Current and immediately the boot checkbox is opened in the editor. Another one is the HexEditor. You can open the HexEditor, you can open the current file, you can search for text, and you can use this for the bin files or the exe files or whatever you want to look at. For instance, a DLL, just click Open Current and immediately the DLL is loaded in the HexEditor. It's very fast indeed. You can search for certain phrases, for instance, search for text, and immediately the word is highlighted. You can search for the next one and the next one and the next one. You can, of course, print the current one and save them under using another file name. Clicking on Help, of course, will show this video again on your screen.